How much pumpkin seed should I eat per day? The American Heart Association recommends a quarter cup of daily intake of pumpkin seeds as part of an overall healthy diet, which is approximately 30 grams. This amount will provide you with a good amount of protein, healthy fats, fiber, zinc, selenium, magnesium, and other effective nutrients. Recommended daily dose of pumpkin seeds in certain conditions are as follows. Benign prostatic hyperplasia. It is recommended that you take 5 grams of pumpkin seeds twice daily or 1 to 2 tablets or capsules of pumpkin seed oil or extract products daily. You can take 160 milligrams pumpkin seed oil once or thrice daily in combination with palmetto and other ingredients. Sleeping trouble. Consuming around 1 gram of pumpkin seeds before bed may improve sleep, as these tiny seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps to promote sleep. You can start and discontinue pumpkin seed consumption as per your requirement. There are very few side effects reported so far, such as bloating and gas. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how-to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. What are pumpkin seeds? Pumpkin seeds are edible seeds that come from pumpkin, a fruit from the cucurbitaceae family or a kind of squash. These seeds are typically flat, small, and oval-shaped, which can be consumed without the white outer shell. These pumpkin seeds are very high in healthy fats, protein, zinc, iron, magnesium, and many more nutrients that are beneficial for our body. Roasted pumpkin seeds are eaten as a snack food. Pumpkin seed and its oil have astonishing health benefits because it has minerals and essential antioxidants to reduce, inhibit, and improve many health conditions. It provides benefits to the heart, bones, and many other body functions, as it is rich in zinc and magnesium. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds contains almost 1 milligram of zinc and 40 mg of magnesium, which fulfills around 20% of a daily recommended intake. Since the World Health Organization, WHO, announced it as the best food to eat for obtaining zinc and magnesium, it has become a popular snack. The growth of exportation and food exploration has boosted its consumption worldwide as a delicious snack. It has medicinal properties and is used in various medicine preparation. Commonly, it is used as a medicine for diseases such as benign prostatic hyperplasia. How to eat these pumpkin seeds? Pumpkin seeds are a great superfood. Proteins are one of the many nutrients found in pumpkin seeds. You can add them in oatmeal, smoothies, chia pudding, salad, soups, granola bars, muffins, or whole grain dishes to attain health and nutritional benefits. You can eat them raw as well as roasted, safely. It is best to eat them without the shell for easy digestion. Generally, people prefer to consume them in roasted form. You may dry roast them at a low temperature under 170 degrees Fahrenheit or 76 degrees Celsius without adding any oil and without salt to retain the nutritional value. What happens if you eat too many? Pumpkin seeds are high in fiber. 1 cup contains almost 12 grams. It is not advised to eat more than the recommended daily amount. If in case you eat too many, you may experience gaseous distension and bloating. The fiber in pumpkin seeds may help to bulk up stool and prevent constipation in the long run. However, eating too many pumpkin seeds at once may cause constipation. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how-to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.